Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Big City Crypto Community. So guys, I am here back again with new fabulous project ATMart. It's an international digital depository project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advisor. Make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. First of all, you can check out ATMart loan in dollar AI platform solution. And first of all, you can check out truly global success in the international digital depository. ATMart has been achieved as ATMart guarantee income for all its clients in the amount 1% per day. And the draft has been because deposit can be placed both dollar and cryptocurrency. Currently, no bank in the worldwide provides such opportunities. And here you can see profit absolutely transparent. Top up your deposit or withdraw your funds almost instantly in any amount and any time. So they will be give instant withdrawal and instant deposit. And here you can see the profit is guaranteed and letting process of it take place remotely and 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And international digital depository, you can check out 1% daily and register it 1 minute and start earning income right now. And you can create your account on click on register now, and this is Clyde account. And here you can see the more about income. The draft plan has been income on deposit client and international digital depository ATMart 1% for every 24 hours. And you can check out more about the partnership program. More about the loan program, you can also check out the loan program. Here you can see the cryptocurrency rates, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all cryptocurrency here. Cryptocurrency exchange, how does cryptocurrency exchange happen? You can check out the information, and you can again see the register now and client account. And here you can see the some information about the project. First of all, they provide about ATMart company, our team, login, registration, profit, actual service rule, privacy and policy, affiliate, our projects, frequently asked question, bank card, personal loan, and products. Any question, get support, email and phone number. So now you need to click on register now. After clicking the register now, if you are new user, you need to create your account. First of all, enter your name, then enter your last name, then enter username and then email. This is your partner ID. Then click enter your captcha here and click on register now. Your account will be successfully created. So my account is already created. I open my account here. For opening your account, then click on sign in. After clicking the sign in, enter same login or email password, then enter the captcha, then click on authorization and your account will be successfully open. And guys, here you can see my account has been successfully created. First of all, you can check out important your account is not secure. Please enable the two-factor authentication. You can if you want to secure your account, then enable the authentication. And this is your ID. You can check out fiat, crypto and partners. And here you can see add funds, cryptocurrency exchange, withdraw payment. So first of all, I tell about some the deposit, then click on add funds. I already told you deposit and withdrawal is instant. And amount USDT, you can use Perfect Money. And if you use Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dash, Monero, XPR, payment processing, they giving the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. If you want to using the Bitcoin deposit, then copy this address, go to your wallet like Binance, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, which wallet you using, it's depend on you. After going to enter your amount, how much you want to invest, you can also use the Perfect Money. If I suggest you, if I want to invest $56, then I click on Perfect Money. After clicking the Perfect Money, they will be automatically processing and they will be go to Perfect Money way to developer. And here you can see the ATTech Ltd. And you can check out crypto. You can also click on make payment. After clicking the make payment, after clicking the make payment, then your enter member ID, password and the captcha and click on preview payment. Your payment will be successfully added to your ATMart account. So I don't have any payment at the moment. You can also scan the QR code, then click on QR code. This is the Bitcoin address. You can also scan the QR code. This is Litecoin address. You can also copy the Litecoin address and you can also scan the Litecoin QR code. After clicking the payment processing, then click on payment processing and your deposit will be status pending. This is your BASH TX ID and status is pending. So you can check out transaction, add funds, check balance, payment achieve, add balance and click on hide message. You can also check out information about the project. So click on partner, then promo and banners. Here is your referral link. Copy your link. So here is your link and share with your link with your friends. You will be get huge profit from here. So I told you where is your referral link, then click on copy option. After clicking the copy, your referral link will be successfully copied. Cryptocurrency exchange check batch, and you can also check out your check batch here. So I click on home option. After clicking the home option, click on cryptocurrency exchange. After clicking the cryptocurrency exchange, if you want to USD to LTC, LTC to USD to Bitcoin, Tron, and dot, I think Tron is not here, XMR dot, Matic, XRP, Tron, ZDC, Ethereum, Doge, ETC, Dash, VCH, and BTC. Then click on go to exchange. You can also check out buy and sell, and you can check out the full information exchange rates. So here you can see the customer service payment achieved. This is your payment achieved, and this is transaction check batch, payment processing, profile charge. You can also click on profile charge. This is home, this is partner. Then click on partner. After clicking the partner, share this link with your friends. This is your partner code. After sharing this, you will be get 25%. And here you can see the payment achieved and Bitcoin, and add balance payment achieved, and then click on Big City Crypto. This is my information, setting and protection documents, and it's very easy method to deposit in this project. After depositing your money, your deposit money will be successfully added and your profit will be successfully generated. So I tell you how to get your withdrawal. You can also create your ticket. This is add fund, cryptocurrency exchange, withdraw fund, and news. You can also check out the news here, and sport team, open ticket, exchange rate, cryptocurrency exchange. Its interface is very amazing, and the main thing is how to withdraw your payment. Click on withdraw payment. After clicking the withdraw payment, then select your wallet here, and then click on perfect money payment detail. Then click on payment detail. If you want to AI pay internal transfer Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Litecoin, I suggest you use Litecoin because they have low fees, and then don't have a fund in your balance. After you have fund, you can withdraw your money. So guys, let's talk about the some loan program, and then I log out my account here, and then I go to the home page. After going the home page, I scroll down. After clicking the scroll down, and this is personal loan products, I click on this. How does it work? Currently the international deposit ATMart offer a client unfilled loan program. Live effect individual loan be can obtained remotely, and how to get your loan you can also check out here. So it's very amazing method for getting a loan. Company contact us about ATMart, and you can also check out ask the question. I tell everything. If you have any question related to this project, you can do a comment in our video. We definitely reply you. I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.